OPPO is not ready to give up on its dual periscope camera setup just yet, but talk about their successors is already making rounds on the internet. Most of the leaks have been around the camera hardware of the upcoming phones. Tipster Digital Chat Station on Weibo shared details about the telephoto modules of the Find X9 Ultra. The device will feature a 200MP periscope telephoto, replacing the 50MP unit on the X8 Ultra. The other 50MP telephoto might remain the same in terms of resolution, but the leak says it will upgrade its zoom range to 10x from 6x. A 50MP ultrawide, the Find X9 Ultra has a 6.82-inch flat OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, powered by a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. OPPO Find X9 Ultra tipped to pack a 7000 mAh dual-cell battery with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging, while the Find X9s and Find X9 Ultra could launch in early 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.